Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned pinto beans taste good. First, drain and rinse your canned pinto beans well to remove extra sodium and starch. This simple step significantly improves their flavor and texture. Next, create a truly flavorful base by sautéing aromatics like diced onion, minced garlic, and bell pepper in a little oil. This foundation is key to delicious beans. To truly boost the flavor, add a generous amount of spices. Cumin, chili powder, and smoked paprika are excellent choices for a warm, earthy profile. Next, pour in some chicken or vegetable broth. This liquid helps the beans absorb more flavor as they simmer. For an extra layer of complexity, consider adding a bay leaf or a dash of liquid smoke.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. On another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for playing music while you cook, setting timers, or even finding new recipes. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Allow your beans to simmer gently for at least 15 to 20 minutes. This crucial step lets all those wonderful flavors fully meld together. For a creamier texture, mash about 1/4 of the beans against the side of the pot. Finally, taste and adjust your seasonings. A splash of apple cider vinegar or fresh lime juice can brighten the entire dish. Just before serving, stir in some fresh herbs like chopped cilantro or parsley. This adds a vibrant, fresh note that really elevates the dish. For an extra touch of richness and a beautiful glossy finish, swirl in a pat of butter or a drizzle of good olive oil. Your delicious pinto beans are now ready to be enjoyed as a fantastic side or a hearty main.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.